चाहे वो हमारे टीचर्स के हों, चाहे हमारे पेरेंट्स के हों, या हमारे अपने खुद के हों, जितने भी हमारे एंडेवर्स, जितने भी हमारे एफर्ट्स हैं, दे आर डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स गोल. सेटिंग गोल्स इज वेरी इजी टास्क, वेरी इजी टास्क. बहुत जल्दी हम लिख देते हैं, इंजीनियर बनूंगा मैं. हाउ टू renew goals. Renew goals. Sometimes we achieve the goal, we find the goals, we win the goals. Have you all heard about it? What is an entrepreneur? Or who is an entrepreneur? Who is an entrepreneur? Just without thinking about the personal benefits.
Life is not easy at all. There's gonna be challenges. You're gonna get beat down. That's the way life is.
That's all it is. You just begin. You do the math, you solve one problem, and you solve the next one. And it doesn't matter how you get knocked down in life, because that's gonna happen. All that matters is that you gotta get up.
You have to get up.
Whatever experience you're having right now, it has not come to stay. It has come to pass. Sometimes you have to just back up and go within yourself and pray and meditate and recharge your batteries. Go away, clear your head, and then come back and look at it from a different vantage point. No coming back. You ask me, what do you want? Man, I want to be diamond. Tell me something. I don't know. Everybody wants it. But the one reality of it is, everybody don't get it. And the crazy thing is, if you want it, you can get it. It's not like somebody stopping you on the gun to your head and telling you you can't get it. It's a matter of will. It's a matter of hard work. It's a matter of sacrifice. It's a matter of dedication. It's a matter of commitment.
The difference is not the genetic code, the potential. It's a guy that's willing to get knocked down, finally does some unfortunate stay back up. The perseverance to see it through, the never say die attitude.
We know the battle ahead. We know the journey ahead is gonna get tough. We know we're gonna face obstacles. We know it's gonna be some discomfort. We know they're gonna try to break us. We know they're coming for us. We know that's gonna happen already. So let's make up in our mind for the battle that we're gonna be victorious.
Don't cry to give up. Cry to keep going. Don't cry to quit. You already in pain. You already hurt. Get a reward from it. At the end of pain is success. You're not gonna die because you feel a little pain.
You tell yourself, I won't give up. When that depression hits you, come out of nowhere. You tell yourself, I won't give up.